Welcome to Tech Talk, where we dive deep into the world of software tools that are changing the game for developers and IT professionals. Today, we're shining the spotlight on sslyze, a powerful, fast, and efficient SSL TLS scanning tool and Python library that's helping teams secure their web servers with robust encryption settings. So, what is sslyze exactly? Well, it's primarily designed to analyze the SSL TLS configuration of a server. Picture this. You have a server hosting sensitive information. You want to ensure that your data is protected by strong encryption and that your setup is resistant to known vulnerabilities like Heartbleed or the robot attack. That's where sslyze steps in. sslyze connects to your server and checks everything from the certificate being used to the cipher suites and elliptic curves in place. Its key features include its focus on speed and reliability. This tool is battle-tested, and it's used to scan hundreds of thousands of servers every single day. How cool is that? Now, you might be wondering how easy it is to integrate sslyze into your workflow. Well, it's designed to be easily operationalized. You can run sslyze directly from your continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. This means you can continuously check your servers against Mozilla's recommended TLS configurations. Imagine setting it up once, then having it automatically check your server's security regularly. It's like a safeguard that works while you sleep. For our tech-savvy listeners, using sslyze is a breeze. If you're on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, all you need to do is install it via pip. It's just a couple of commands and boom, you're ready to go. But here's where it gets interesting. sslyze also offers a fully documented Python API. This opens up a world of possibilities. You can run scans directly from any Python application, or even deploy it in cloud environments like AWS Lambda. Talk about versatility. Now let's talk about the output. Once a scan is completed, you can easily save the results to a JSON file for later processing. That's super handy for developers and teams that need detailed reports or need to track historical configurations to ensure compliance over time. And speaking of compliance, sslyze checks your server against Mozilla's intermediate TLS configuration by default. If your server isn't compliant, it'll return a non-zero exit code. For those looking to push the envelope further, you even have the option to check against the modern configuration. If you're falling short, sslyze gives you specifics. For example, if your server is using outdated TLS versions or ciphers, it's flagged for you to tighten up your security. Let's take a moment to imagine a scenario here. You're a developer at a startup ramping up your online presence. You've got tons of customer data flowing through your servers. With sslyze integrated into your CI/CD, you can focus on building your product, knowing that you have a watchdog keeping an eye on your security posture. That's peace of mind in a world where data breaches are common. As we wrap up today's episode, remember, securing your servers is not just a good practice. It's crucial. With tools like sslyze, you can ensure your infrastructure is robust against potential threats. So whether you're managing a small project or overseeing a large deployment, make it a habit to regularly check your SSL TLS configuration. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Tech Talk. Make sure to check us out next time, where we'll explore more tools and technologies at the forefront of innovation. Stay safe online and keep your data secure.